Right. Very carefully open that box.
Oh, it's a dog.
Yeah, puppy.
Where'd you get it from?
Yeah, you got it from a woman when you went on holiday.
Oh, what's
It's your little puppy.
Isn't it gorgeous? His name's Teddy.
Teddy?
Yeah.
Are you allowed to get him out?
Of course. Would you like to hold him?
Oh.
You're going to be very gentle with
No,
him.
no, hold him.
Oh, hold him. He's gorgeous. He's all cuddly like a little
Are
teddy.
you allowed to put him down with Sasha? Put him down with
Yeah,
Sasha.
don't you want to hold him?
No.
Say hello to him.
Cute, isn't he?
He's gorgeous.
Why'd you get two dogs?
Because we don't need another little Yorkie. He's a bit like Benny, isn't he? And a bit like Peppy. No, she licks him. Yeah, she licks and licks.
That little one likes me, doesn't it?
That's right.
Cute, isn't it?
Really gorgeous.
You now got two.
Two doggies now.
He's so tiny.
Yeah.
Wait till it's transcoloring my dog.
I don't know what's happening today, darling.
Cute.
You didn't know that, did you?
No,
No.
he's cute.
You've got to be very, very gentle with him. No hurting him whatsoever.
No swinging teddy banes around because if you hit him, you'll break his bones. If you hit Sasha, she's a lot bigger and stronger.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Uncle Mark.
Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it? Aww.
He's got very sharp teeth and very sharp claws.
Has it?
Yeah.
Don't hurt though. Don't hurt.
My lizard's got little claws. They just hurt tickle, don't they?
Yeah, that's what it's
They
supposed
hurt
to like.
tickle.
Yeah.
Because your lizard, do they hurt tickle? All lizards hurt tickle. But Eggie's painful, isn't he?
Yeah, he's one time. He wants you to stroke him.
Yeah. Where does he live?
Here.
In the box?
No. He's got his own little bed.